Hey mom, can I buy this new cube? It's $90. Okay.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
It's a little bit chilly, a little cold. Just a little bit, a little cold. Hey, yeah, just waiting for my cube. Yep, just waiting. It's too cold for this. Yeah, hello? Oh, I just bought a new cube. I'm, waiting for it. Yeah. Oh, it's not coming today. Are you sure? How long does it usually take? 2 weeks?
2 hours later. Montage. Here we go. 3 weeks later.
Yo!
Here we go. Here we go.
If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video. Before I end, I just want to give a huge thank you to CubeRazn for shouting me out on his channel. Since this morning, or at least when I was working on this video, I went from 28 to like 70 subscribers and it's still climbing. So it is absolutely insane. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I thank you. If you haven't already, go check his channel out. I know most of you probably came from his channel, but his content is so funny. Whether you're a cuber or non-cuber, it's just hilarious. He has great content. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel while you're here. If you want to click here to subscribe or click here to check out some other videos. Have a good night. See ya.